What's up, fellas? I see you NC classified restricted. What's going on? What is going on, fellas? We're gonna start on 8:05. We starting at 8:05. Um, hold up. Put my stuff up here. Yeah, we in this thing. It's gonna be brief. My brother might be doing something. I don't know what he doing, but he might be late. Yeah, he might be late. Let's see what I can put up. Know y'all like that. That last podcast was pretty good. You know what I'm saying? 2 more minutes. One more minute. What's going on, fellas? It's your brother Wasil Bay, and we are Sham Stoppers. Y'all already know the intro. Well. What you have on the screen, you have people who have declared themselves as civilly dead. Okay? Right? Civiliter Mortuus. Okay? I'm going to put up another one. Hold on, let me see how many people in here. Wait a minute. See how many y'all up in this piece. Say something if y'all can hear. Hold up a second. Let me see. I got to get the other. Oh, okay. I see y'all up in here. Okay, I see y'all. What up, Goat? Panty Eater, Big Play Visual. Cool. I can't see it on this side. I can't see y'all on this stream yard. But yeah, I can see a few of y'all. But yeah, civilly dead, civitor mortuus. Okay. What that means is, and I got this out of Black Laws Dictionary, the fourth edition. And I'm gonna show you another definition where it's twist around. Mortuus civitor means that you are civilly dead because you committed a felony. Okay. So let me break this down to you. When you go into court, I'm gonna use an example. One example. When you go into court and you say, "I'm not that person," I'm not that entity. Guess what? They can't hear you. And not on top of that is these people done fucked up their cases so bad when they go sue somebody in that name because they didn't take the proper steps and procedures, they lose their remedies when they try to go sue. You know what I mean? You go in there, I'm not that person, but you want to sue these people. You take that shit in there and say, well, I'm suing under this name, but we thought you won this name. Do that make any sense? You see, when you just repeat shit and you sound stupid and you don't do no research, you know what I'm talking about? Let me put up another one. See how they got it backwards now? See that? Y'all see that, right? You see that? This incident attended every attainder of treason or oath or felony, whereby, in the language of Lord Coke, the attained person is disabled to bring any action, for he is extra ligum mortuus. He could be heard in court only for the direct purpose of reversing the attainder and not in prosecution of a civil right. He could be a grantor or guarantee after attainder, and the grant would be good against all persons except the king. Y'all see that shit? I just put something up. So you can't say you're not that person and you committed a crime. That's stupid. You hear what I'm talking about? That's the dumbest shit I ever heard. So fellas, pat yourself on the back if you haven't done that shit. Oh, I'm not that person. Separate yourself. You ain't gonna be able to do that if you committed a crime. You know what I'm talking about? If you commit a felony, guess what? That shit gonna be hard for you. You're dead. If you OJ or George Zimmerman, you got the money to get off this shit, you good. And most of these guys out here who ain't got no money, you gonna be civilly dead. Because criminal court, guess what, fellas? That shit is equity too. All these courts are courts of equity. Every last one of them. And when you file a claim is for money. You got to have money in there. Somebody did you wrong. You got to put money in that shit. Well, I think this is my claim. My claim such and such did this. And I want relief when this shit comes true. So give me such and such amount of dollars. You know what I'm talking about? Don't go in there saying stupid shit, fellas. Don't fuck up your case. Don't fuck up your remedies. Read this shit. Stay away from people who don't mean you no good. Okay? And when you go into court, all these child support people, they are here to make you feel guilty. Right? Because you ain't got no money. I know a lot of y'all got money, but they want to make you feel guilty when you go in there like you ain't got no rights to do nothing. Their job is to make you resist, not resist. Excuse me. They're here to make you not resist. Okay? That's their job. Real talk. So don't fuck off your cases, fellas. I'm trying to separate myself. You can't do that. Go commit a crime and see, can you separate yourself from that, from your person? That is your person. That is your gift. That's what was given to you. And you need to take care of that because somebody trespass on your person. You can carry guns on your person. You carry your papers on your person. You got your house in the name of your person. Only time you do that when you ain't messing with no dirty broad. Right? I don't know what my brother, I don't know what he doing. Because he had more shit on there. You know what I'm talking about? Don't do this, fellas. Look, don't denounce nothing that you have over here in this country. Because guess what? People from other countries is coming over here to take your birthright and your inheritance. Okay? And for the dumbass people talking about, man, fuck this government, fuck this country, leave. Get the fuck out. Most of the people who talking shit ain't gonna do nothing. You know what I'm talking about? All this shit that y'all see out here in the public is a distraction to get you off your game. Okay? Peace to the 7 in here. We about to move on. I want to talk about this motion. We're going to talk about this motion, fellas. Y'all see that? Y'all see that? Who can file a motion for enforcement? You see that? This goes for everybody. This is for every state. Okay? The obla. Peace. The obla, what? G, not G, but G. Who can file a motion for enforcement? The motion can be filed by any of the following. The obligee can file a motion to enforce child support, right? The obligee is the person or entity entitled. So your baby mama's person is the entity, right? And I'm telling y'all, she don't go to court talking about she ain't that person. It ain't me. No, her ass is going there to get that benefit and make you become her slave. They laughing at these cats. These women is laughing, they hustling, they getting this money, they getting all these benefits, they sitting on their ass, they don't want to work, they want you to work. Now let me keep reading. To receive child support payments, including an agency of Texas or of another jurisdiction. Shalom, my brother. To which a person assigned the person's rights to support. The AG office or political subdivisions contracting with AG can file motion for enforcement. Contracts, fellas, let me tell y'all something. Contracts supersede the Constitution. Contracts supersede the Constitution. And guess what, fellas? And you have all these judges in this child support thing, right? They all swore oath to uphold the Constitution, right? Right? But we all know contracting with somebody ain't nothing but business. And what are they doing in business? Even the Constitution said they don't have respect for nobility. But case in point, what I'm trying to get y'all to see is your baby mama don't go in there talking about the straw man. She don't go in there talk about the entity. She go in there to receive a service off of your children to make you pay for her loan when she's supposed to be filing bankruptcy if you don't want to pay it, if you don't voluntarily pay it, because child support is voluntary. Let me keep reading. Domestic Relations Office can file a motion to enforce child support. A domestic relations office is a county office serving families, county departments, courts to ensure effective implementation of family court, right? Private entity. A private entity that has contracted with a county can file a motion to enforcement for child support. A friend of the court. You see that? Let me blow it up some. A friend of the court can file a motion to enforcement, right? They ain't your friends, right? Look at that. Alleging that the child support order has been violated or on the court's own motion. In appointing a friend of the court must give preference to a domestic relations office, local child support collection office, the local office designated to enforce actions as provided by Family Code 159. An attorney, her attorney, good standing with the state bar of Texas. When to file a motion for enforcement seeking contempt must be filed no later than 2 years. Number one, the child becomes an adult, or the child support obligation terminates under the order or by operation of law. You see that? Where to file the motion? The motion can be filed with the court with continuing exclusive jurisdiction. You see that? Contents. The motion must set out its allegations in clear, specific, ambiguous terms, right? Motion must use ordinary and conscious language. You see that? Motion must use ordinary and conscious language. Fellas. What's up? What is up? Because y'all get these motions. A lot of y'all don't know what's on the court record, right? Y'all get these motions from y'all baby mama and your baby mama's lawyer, and they're using big time words, right? If it ain't ordinary, if it's not ordinary, a child, an elementary student can read, it's vague, okay? And remember this too, fellas. When something is hard, it's a lie. In the book of Psalms, God preserves the simple. That's why we so simple over here. Look in the book of Psalms, I think the 115th chapter, God preserves the simple. Child support is voluntary. Okay? It's voluntary. You can get out of child support. You can be child support. It's her shit, not yours. She signed your name up. No one can sign your name up for a benefit. Nobody. Okay? So when you do go to court, you want to say, yeah, that's me. Because if you don't say it's you, guess what? You're going to be liable to pay that shit. Well, I guess he ain't coming. I guess he ain't here. Right? Don't do that shit, fellas. You're going to mess up your case. Because you can't come back and sue. It's going to be hard. You're going to get made fun of. They laughing out here. Right? It's finna get worse. This child support shit, it's finna get worse. Hold up. Yeah, Penny says entitled or entity entitled to receive child support payments. She ain't entitled to shit. Okay? But she's an entity though. I'm glad y'all stopped by, man. Y'all know not to make yourselves look crazy. A lot of y'all thank y'all for not making yourself look crazy, saying y'all ain't that person, and none of that. And the Constitution strictly says you got a right to secure and protect your person and your personality. Can't nobody trespass on your person or personality. You can sue these people. Okay? You can sue these people. This stuff is not hard, fellas. It is not hard. She goes down there. You trying to figure out why they putting out a warrant, calling you to court. She is doing it. And she got help from these people right here. Friend of the court, private entity, which is a lawyer, right? Domestic relations office. Check the record. Y'all need to go and check the record. See what's on the record. I guarantee you won't have no problems. And you have to rebut every presumption. Right, classified. She has all the help. Oh, we got some more shit, fellas. This is just the tip of the iceberg. And you can defeat this. You got to rebut all the presumptions. You have to respond to all the presumptions that they have. You know what I mean? That's law. That's simple. Right, John Swartz. That's right. That is right. But God hath chosen the foolish things of the world to confound the wise. And God hath chosen the weak things of the world to confound the things which are mighty. Exactly. Fellas, at the beginning of the year, we're gonna help somebody out for free. Take on your case. You can't do that. You can't say I want the person or none of that. We're gonna take on somebody's case for free at the beginning of the year. So y'all need to do this. Put this down. At midnight on the first day of the year, January 1st, 2020, we're going to take on somebody's thing. There's going to be one person. Whoever hit it first on 2020, you're going to get it. Okay? Go check the record. See what they file. It's finna get worse. You know what I mean? Exactly, JC. JC said he never rejected his person. Exactly. Never reject your person. The brother Moore about to come on in a little bit, y'all. Thank y'all for tuning in. He about to come in and drop some jewels for y'all. You know what I mean? He got some stuff. I don't know if he getting licked on or, I don't know. He doing some erotic type shit. He a bachelor. Much praise to the bachelors. But that's how you fuck up your case, though, fellas. When you say, I'm not him. I'm going to separate myself. Okay, go sue somebody. Go sue somebody and see what happened. Well, we thought you weren't that person. We thought you weren't that person. What you doing in here? Because, fellas, let me tell y'all something. These legal people, they having task force and they writing down on the record what you filed. They having luncheons. They're a tight-knit, small community. I have friends. You know what I mean? That I talk to every blue moon. I have one friend I talk to every blue moon. You know what I mean? Yes, the Bible said. Somebody look up Bible verse where it says a good name. You got to have a good name. Fellas, don't let nobody trespass on your name. Don't let nobody talk shit on your name. I don't care your all caps name. Don't let nobody trespass on that. Okay? All you has is your name. I have a person. I don't deny my person. You know what I'm talking about? I don't deny my government name. That's a good name. Hell yeah, I'm gonna go to court and say, "What's up? I'm here. Who you want to speak with? Huh? You want to talk to me and my person? What's up? I'm here. I'm ready to go. Let's go." Okay, prove that I did that. Where is your evidence? Thank you, Drawn Swords. Ecclesiastes 7:1. A good name is better than precious ornament in the day of death than the day of one's birth. Y'all see that? Y'all need to love yourself even more. You are the prize, fellas. You can have a legacy. I don't hate women. Women are beautiful, especially when they're obedient. Now, these dirty whores, I don't care nothing for them. You know what I'm talking about? I don't care nothing for them. Somebody texting. Hold on. Wait a minute. A good name, fellas. You got to have a good name. Somebody text me. Yes. January 1st, the first one to hit us up, email. The new email is ShamstoppersElite. ShamstoppersElite at protonmail.com. The first one to hit us up on New Year's Day, you're going to get the full effect of this shit. If you ain't done that stupid shit, you know what I'm talking about? If you haven't done that dumb shit, you good. I don't care. Let me tell y'all something. I'd rather have a few smart men than a lot of dumb motherfuckers following. Because guess what? That dumb motherfucker gonna get mad and he gonna turn on you in the New York second. I'd rather have people that's conscious, reading these books, you know what I mean? Ain't repeating what somebody else saying. Because I look on the internet, everybody repeating the same thing. Oh, separate yourself. You not him. This and that. Okay, well, who are you? These women is out hustling, fellas. It's these women winning this war. They getting they getting all the benefits. They getting food stamps. They getting housing. They getting all that shit. And guess what? Who working hard for that shit? Not you, she is. All them benefits ain't got nothing to do with y'all going to work. I'm sorry to tell people. Section 8, food stamps, none of that ain't got shit to do with it. Because you don't see it on your check stub. You've been lied to. Them your benefits. Why you think all these foreigners coming over here? Huh? No, they want you to suffer and be their slaves. You need to wake up, man. A lot of people just passing information, passing shit. Oh, what you don't know won't hurt you. Nah, nigga, what you don't know will kill you. Y'all heard me say it 1,000 times on this show. Hey, with all the lesbians now, a woman might take your woman too. Yeah, yeah, yeah. A woman might. I wish a woman would try to holler at my girl. Let a woman holler at my girl. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna grab her by the pussy. Or I might just ask her, hey, let's pull our pants down and see who's bigger. Let's pull our pants down, see who got the biggest penis. For real. I'm not playing. I'm not playing no games, fellas. It's time out for games. It's time out for games, fellas. Stop letting people disrespect you. Stop letting people disrespect your good name. You know what I mean? Check a person. It's time out because 2020 coming. 2020 is here, fellas. It's right around the corner. Look back what you've been doing for the 2019. What have y'all been doing? What your baby mama been doing? What your baby mama been doing? She been doing the same shit. Begging. She want money. Let me hit y'all with something. If a woman needs child support, she don't need the child. She can't afford them. She don't need custody. How about that? If she needs some money from you, if she the mother of the year, what she need with your money? Huh? She want to talk shit to you but want your money. What type of shit and foolishness is that? And then you got these righteous sisters out here. Child support is a trust fund, fellas. Don't be fooled. Child support is a trust fund, okay? It's a trust fund. And who do you trust? I know you don't trust her with the children, and she trusting wrong people. Well, if it's about the children, why are you going to report our business to these people? Why is you putting my name on these people's contract? Why is you ruining my good name? Real talk. I'm just dropping some shit, y'all. I'm just dropping some real shit. I'm telling y'all, get harder. Y'all need to get harder. You need to get cockier. You need to get, you know what I mean? Y'all need to get harder and cockier and solid, more solid. The solid and cockier you are, and I'm gonna tell y'all something too. The smarter you get every day, if you get in these books, if you don't get services from Shamstoppers, you don't have to. You can get in these books. The more and more you read, the more and more you learn some shit that you didn't know, the more freer your mind and your body and your life will become. The smarter you get, the freer you get. Look, the more liberty you have, the more freedom you have, the smarter you get. Learn something new every day. I learn something new every day. I learned some new stuff about the UCC. A lot of people don't know about. I learned some good stuff about the UCC, fellas. You know what I'm talking about? I don't know what a brother is. He was supposed to come. I done held out to 39 minutes. I've been on this thing for 39 minutes. You know what I'm talking about? But like I was saying, man, she gonna file her motions. She files a lot of motions. I got a brother right now who is learning that these people filing motions, and some of them, when you beat these people, when you request for these motions, they get mad and don't want to give them to you. Because you know that you on to their shit. Right? Because I'm gonna tell y'all something too, fellas, about these judges, these family law judges. They got enough money they invest into business around here, right? And they're gonna have your children working for their children with the child support money that they steal from you through your lazy ass baby mama. Facts. Fact check me on that. All the guys that's in the legislature Every legislator that's down there passing so-called rules, they want to say they laws, but they rules, right? They're business owners. Okay? They own businesses. Just find you and pick you a name and do a research on their name, what do they have. You'll be amazed. Who owns this business? What he got in this business? You know what I mean? They got a business out here in Round Rock, right? The biggest water park in Round Rock, Texas, they building. The biggest indoor Round Rock. And I've been thinking, I'm like, who paying for that shit? Who gonna pay for it? Brand new. They building it. Look it up. It's in Round Rock. It's in there. Round Rock or Hutto, Texas. The biggest indoor park. Now, who paying for that shit? Now, check this out in this county. Let me tell you about Williamson County. Williamson County, I know a dude who went to jail for having a marijuana seed in his ashtray. A joint will get you jail time for a year in Williamson County. A marijuana joint. Guess what? They get that money out that dude's books, them lawyers and these prosecutors, and they're investing into the community with them businesses. Hey man, I'm just giving y'all some little game. What's going on? We've been telling y'all to start y'all business a long time ago. You know what I'm talking about? Those tickets goes into the coofers, and guess what? They invest into the community. And you're going to end up working for them people, and then when you get into it with somebody, they fire you. 9 times out of 10, they know the people in the court. These people smart, man. They live the boring life. They read books. They live the rich and boring life. Okay? Boring shit is sexy. Boring shit is the rich shit. Exciting shit is the broke shit. Going out to the club is the broke shit. Buying bitches drinks is the broke shit. You know what I mean? But reading these books, teaching you how to make some more money, that's the sexy good shit. But yeah, I know I'm all over the place on that one. But I'm just enlightening y'all what's going on with these people who make you feel guilty when you walk in there and try to defend yourself and try to talk you out your rights and shit. No. And they try to ignore you. I guarantee you, fellas, if you don't do that it ain't me shit, record their ass, then prosecute their ass, what they done, you gonna win, bro. You gonna win. Hold on, let me see something. Hold up a minute, fellas. Let me call this brother. See is he done, because I'm about to sign off here in a few minutes let me see something. He said he almost done. Never mind. I'm gonna go and sign off. He'll catch it next time. You know what I mean? I hope y'all enjoyed this podcast. Stop letting people punk y'all. Don't let nobody tell you what your rights are. We all men. You gotta be a man first. And all that. That's my person and all that. Be a man first. You know what I'm talking about? Your life gonna get better. And look them in the eye. When you talk to somebody, look their ass in the eye. I look a person in the eye, man, they be like, no, he ain't having it. You know what I mean? Peace, brother, peace. Well, shit, we signing off here, Shamstoppers. Hey, man up, stand up. Take care of your name. Take care of your good name. Don't denounce who you are. And if you do, get your nationality. Okay? We about to sign off. It's been good, fellas. We're going to come out with some fire again next week, once a week. Okay? Peace and blessings to y'all. Have a good night.